Hi. Are you working harder than ever in your business, but still feeling like you're behind? Are your competitors launching faster, marketing smarter, automating better, while you're stuck doing everything manually? Now, here's the real question. If artificial intelligence is transforming every industry, can your business afford to ignore it in 2026? Today, we're talking again about AI, but specifically for small business. What it is, how leaders are using it to win, and how you can apply it starting today without being a tech expert. I'll see you right after this. Now, let's be clear about that. AI is no longer optional. It's no longer for tech companies only. It is no longer something to explore later. The right time is now. Hold on. The right time is yesterday. AI is becoming the operating system for modern business. And the businesses that embrace it are moving faster, cutting costs, serving customers better, and scaling without burning out. But the businesses that ignore it, well, they risk falling behind competitors, wasting time on repetitive tasks, missing data-driven insights, and losing market relevance. But here's the good news. You do not need to be a coder, my friend. You do not need a massive budget. Lastly, you don't even need a tech team. Now listen, in the next 4 segments, I'm going to answer the most frequently asked questions that church leaders and entrepreneurs are searching for. Questions such as, how do I actually use AI in my small business? What AI tools should I start with? How can AI increase revenue and reduce costs? How do I adopt AI without losing the human touch? And I'll give you practical step-by-step actions that you can apply immediately. See you right after this.
Hello, family. Jonathan here, and this is just a quick reminder. Listen, if you have not yet grabbed a copy of my business book, The One Shoe Wonder, well, this is your moment. This book is a powerful guide to help you build your brand from the ground up. Even if you're starting small with just one idea, one product, or one service. Inside, I share the same mindset, the same strategies, the same business principles that helped me build and launch my own brand in Unity Square. So go right now on Amazon and get your copy of The One Shoe Wonder and make sure to leave us a beautiful review. Listen, now it's your time to start turning your passion into purpose and your purpose into profit. The link is in the description. Bye for now.
Segment 1. How do I actually use AI in my small business? The biggest mistake and the biggest misconception that entrepreneurs do is believing that AI means replacing everything. I come to tell you it's not true. I said it before in one of my prior episodes, and I'm going to say it again. AI is not here to replace you. As a matter of fact, AI is here to enhance you. Now, listen to this. AI is best used to automate repetitive tasks, analyze data, improve decision-making, speed up content creation, and improve customer support. Now, let's go over the action steps for this segment. Firstly, audit your time. Write down everything you do for 1 week. Highlight repetitive tasks such as emails, scheduling, content drafting, invoicing. These are your first automation targets. Secondly, target with one process. Don't automate your entire company. Pick one flow, that is, email responses or social media captions. Thirdly, test AI as an assistant. Use AI for drafting proposals, brainstorming ideas, or summarizing research. Think co-pilot, not replacement. Here's one thing that I want you to remember. Leaders in 2026, they are not using AI in everything they do, but they use AI strategically as an assistant. All right?
Hey guys, just a quick announcement. Listen, if you've been dreaming of building your own brand, but you don't even know where to start, I've got exactly what you need. My brand new course, The One Show Wonder, is a step-by-step guide to building a profitable brand with just one product, one service, and one idea. Whether you're an artist, a creator, or an entrepreneur, this course will show you exactly how to turn your idea into impact and income. So don't wait. Go to kajabi.com and get instant access now. Start building your dream brand from the ground up today. The link is in the description.
Segment 2, what AI tools should small business start with? Being overwhelmed and burned out in business is a real thing. It can happen to any one of us. The more tools that you have at your disposal make the job easier for you. I need you to remember why you started that business in the first place. I'm sure that you wanted to buy back your time. You wanted to have more time to do things that you love doing, spend more time with your family, right? There are thousands of tools, but you only need 4 categories to begin. Number 1, AI for content and marketing. Copywriting, blog posts, social media, and ad scripts. Second, AI for automation. Email sequences, customer onboarding, CRM workflows. Third, AI for customer service. Chatbots, FAQ assistance, lead qualification. Fourth, AI for data and decision making. Analytics summaries, sales trend forecasting, customer behavior insights. Now your action steps for this segment. Choose 1 tool per category. Use it for 30 days. Measure time saved. Measure performance impact. Now, here's one thing I want you to remember. Winning businesses in 2026 are not the most technical, but they are simply the most efficient. Efficiency is key. Let's be efficient.
Hi, Jonathan here with Immunity Footwear. And today, I want to introduce to you one of the most elegant pieces in our collection, the Burgundy Patina Loafer. From the moment you slip it on, you can feel the craftsmanship. Each pair is hand finished in a rich burgundy patina, giving you depth, character, and a look that speaks before you do. The design is sleek, timeless, and built for the gentleman who values both sophistication and comfort. And with our 48 hours production rush, your loafers are crafted and shipped in as little as 7 business days. No shortcut, no compromise. Whether you're dressing up for a big moment or elevating your everyday style, this loafer completes the look with ease, confidence, and undeniable elegance. If you're ready to experience footwear that delivers luxury from the ground up, tap the link below and order your Burgundy Patina Loafer today.
Segment 3, how can AI increase revenue and reduce costs? Now let's talk about impact. Your business must be impactful. Your business must solve a problem. Remember, the purpose of the business not only to serve the community, and also to solve a problem. That's what makes your business impactful. The more impact that you can make, the better it is for your business. Let us start. AI increases revenue by speeding up marketing production, personalizing offers, improving targeting, lastly, increasing conversion rates. Now, AI reduces costs by automating admin tasks, reducing hiring pressure, preventing cost decision errors, improving forecasting. Now, let's talk about the action steps. Number one, use AI to personalize your offers. Segment customers, generate tailored messaging. Number two, use AI to increase sales scripts. Number three, use AI for predictive planning. Identify which products, services perform best. Adjust resources accordingly. Now, if you can apply all this effectively in your business, here's the result that you can expect. Smarter decisions, lower overheads, and higher margins.
Hey family, quick break. Listen, if this episode is adding value to your life, I need you to pause, take a quick second, and hit the subscribe button, will you? And that's how you can support us, help us grow, and keep this life-changing content coming your way. Every click, every share, every comment helps us reach more people who need this message. So go ahead and subscribe now to Jonathan Laurince, and let's keep walking the self-improvement and wealth-building journey together. Because here, we're not just chasing success, we're building purpose with profit. So I thank you in advance. Let's go back to the show.
Segment 4. How do I use AI without losing the human touch? This is one of the biggest fears that is out there right now. Most people think that if they use AI, they will lose authenticity. It's all depends on how you use it. Do you use AI as an assistant, as an enhancer, or do you let AI do the whole job? My advice is to do the job and use AI as an assistant. AI is just assisting the job, the vision that you are working on. All right? So let's talk more about it. Will AI make my brand robotic? The answer depends on you. Yes, you. AI should simply handle speed, data, systems, and drafting. You must handle the vision of your company, the values of your business, the relationships, and the final voice. Now, here's the list of action steps for segment 4. Always review and personalize AI output. Number 2, use AI to create first draft. Add your voice last. Number 3, keep human interaction in high touch areas. Number 4, let AI enhance empathy, not replace it. Now, I want you to keep in mind that the businesses that will win in 2026 are not less human. They are more human because AI gives them their time back and enhance their vision.
Hola family, Jonathan here. Listen, I've got something fresh for your fit and your style. Would you like to know what it is? I'm glad you asked. At Immunity Footwear, we are redefining what it means to walk with purpose, confidence, and style. With a full collection of stylish, comfortable, and durable shoes for both men and women, we've got it all. From sleek dress shoes, everyday sneakers, our innovative listless tennis shoes. Look at this thing of beauty. Look at that. Whew. Wonderful. And our all-new golf shoe collection. Whether you're dressing up, stepping out, working out, we've got the perfect pair for you. So why wait? Head over to immunityfootwear.com. It's immunityfootwear.com and shop now. Now. The link is in the description. Immunity Footwear, changing and impacting the world one shoe at a time. Thank you for your support.
Final thoughts, motivation and leadership. Here's the truth. Every generation of entrepreneurs faces a defining shift. For some, it was the internet. For others, it was social media. For this generation, it is artificial intelligence. You can fear it, you can ignore it, or you can master it. AI will not replace entrepreneurs, but entrepreneurs who use AI will certainly replace those who don't. The reality is that the future belongs to leaders who adapt. And adaptation, it's not about losing who you are. It's about evolving into who your business must become. Good luck out there.
Hi everyone, Jonathan Laurince from Unity Footwear. Today, I'm going to show you one of the most unique and sophisticated shoes in our collection. I present to you the whole cut in denim patina. This shoe is crafted from one single piece of leather, giving it a clean, seamless, and luxury look. The denim patina finish brings a modern, stylish edge that pairs effortlessly with suits, jeans, and everything in between. Flip it over, and you'll see the red leather sole and bold touch of elegance that sets this shoe apart the moment you step forward. Built on the Zurigo rounded last, it gives you that classic English silhouette with all-day comfort. And thanks to our 48 hours rush service, these will be crafted and delivered to you within 7 business days. If you're ready to elevate your footwear game with something truly distinctive, hit the link below and order your whole cut in denim patina today.
Hey family, we have reached the end of this episode. If it helped you to think differently about AI and business strategy, I need you to share it with an entrepreneur that you know that needs this information. Subscribe to the Laurince Podcast so you don't miss episode 21. Grab a copy of my business book, The One Show Wonder. The link is in the description. For booking, consulting, coaching, and speaking engagement, visit jonathanlawrencemusic.com. This has been episode 20 of the Laurince Podcast on how to use AI effectively in your small business to win in 2026. Remember that no matter what happens in your life, make sure to lead boldly, build wisely, and embrace the future. God bless you all, and I'll see you in the next episode.